case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1973 case Dashiell v. Keauhou-Kona Co, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit ruled that one spouse cannot be held responsible for the negligence of the other spouse during a joint activity, unless there is a contractual obligation or other legal relationship that would justify imputing the negligence. The case revolved around a collision between a golf cart and a truck at Keauhou Golf Course in Hawaii. The golf course defendants were found negligent, while the golf cart defendants were not. However, both Mrs. and Mr. Dashiell were barred from recovering damages due to Mrs. Dashiell's contributory negligence. The appeals court ruled that the district court incorrectly imputed contributory negligence to Mr. Dashiell, as the marital relationship doesn't establish a contractual obligation for a spouse's negligence. The golf course defendants were held liable, and further proceedings would determine damages. The judgment against the golf cart defendants was upheld.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.